Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that can completely transform how you handle money. Credit cards. Whether you're new to the world of credit or already juggling multiple cards, there are some game-changing strategies you might not know. So, let's unlock the 7 smartest credit card hacks to help you save money, maximize rewards, and build financial freedom. Trust me, you don't want to miss these insights. Stick around till the end because Hack-7 might surprise you and could completely reshape how you look at credit cards. Let's dive in! 1. Turn everyday purchases into rewards. How many of us swipe our credit card for groceries, gas, or online orders without a second thought? What if I told you that those everyday purchases could actually save or make you money? Credit cards with cashback or points programs allow you to earn rewards just by buying what you already need. For example, some cards offer 3% cashback on groceries, dining, or gas. Others let you rack up travel points that you can redeem for flights or hotel stays. The key here is to pick a card that aligns with your spending habits. If you're all about dining out, look for a card that gives extra points or cash back at restaurants. Spend strategically, and those small earnings add up fast. Think free vacations or extra cash in your account. Quick tip: combine your rewards card with cashback apps like Rakuten or Honey to double dip on savings. Why not earn money back on money you're already spending? 2. Pay rent and non-traditional bills with credit cards. Alright, here's a hack that most people overlook. Did you know you can pay your rent with a credit card? Platforms like Plastic allow you to do just that, even if your landlord doesn't accept credit directly. What's the catch? There's typically a small processing fee, around 2.5–3%. However, if you're using a card with high rewards rates like 2% cashback or points for every dollar spent, it might still be worth it. For anyone paying high rent, this could mean a ton of extra points every year. For example, let's say your monthly rent is 1,500, paying with a 2,360 back annually. Basically a free month's rent. Now that's smart spending. Pro tip: always do the math to ensure the rewards outpace the processing fees. When it's a smart choice, this method can turn even your biggest monthly expense into part of your financial strategy. 3. Maximize rewards. Based on your lifestyle. Next, let's talk about personalized spending strategies. Not all credit cards are created equal, and the best card for you depends on how you live your life. Here's how to make your spending work for you. Travel enthusiast? Look for cards that award miles or points for travel-related expenses, offer free lounge access, or provide travel insurance. Foodie? A card with higher rewards for dining out or groceries is your golden ticket to cashback heaven. Big business expenses? Use a business credit card to earn rewards on office supplies, marketing campaigns, or equipment purchases. It's all about matching your card to your everyday life. This way, whether you're spending on vacation, at your favorite restaurant, or on essential shopping, you're earning something back. Here's a challenge for you. Take note of your top 3 expense categories this month and look up cards that give extra rewards for those exact categories. The perfect card might be right for you. 4. The real value of luxury cards. Luxury credit cards? Aren't those just for millionaires? Oh no, my friend. Luxury cards can actually be worth the annual fees if you use them wisely. For example, many high-end cards offer airport lounge access, travel concierge services, and free travel insurance. Some even include perks like statement credits on travel purchases, shopping discounts, or priority boarding. But here's the catch. You have to use the benefits to make the high annual fee worth it. If you're not traveling or shopping in the categories where these cards shine, skip the luxury card hype. For frequent travelers, though, the perks can pay for themselves. Imagine sipping free cocktails in an airport lounge or scoring free checked bags just because you used the right card. Not bad, right? Bonus tip: look for sign-up bonuses. Luxury cards often offer huge points or miles promotions when you first sign up. Sometimes just the sign-up offer outweighs the annual fee. 5. Leverage credit cards to build wealth as a creator or entrepreneur. Creators, freelancers, and small business owners. This one's for you. Did you know credit cards can be one of your strongest tools for business growth? Let's break it down. Business credit cards often offer higher credit limits, perfect for investing in your craft. Better rewards on things like advertising, software subscriptions, or gear. Expense tracking tools to streamline your finances. Imagine you're a freelancer who spends 1,000/month on tools and equipment. A cashback card offering 2240/year***, which you can reinvest in your business. Even better, many business credit cards include welcome bonuses. Use this wisely when you're making a big purchase, for example, a new camera or website upgrade. It's like being paid to grow your business. So creators, what are you waiting for? Start making your expenses work for you. 6. Responsible spending = long-term wins. You've heard it before. Be responsible with your credit. But what does that really mean? Let's break it down. First and foremost, always pay off your balance in full every month. Why? Because any rewards you earn are immediately canceled out if you're carrying balances and paying interest. Stick to what you can afford and never, ever miss a payment. Second, monitor your credit score like a hawk. Credit cards are a fantastic tool for building credit, especially if you use them consistently and responsibly. Over time, a great credit score can open doors to lower interest rates on loans, mortgages, or even car insurance. Finally, most cards come with built-in fraud protection, so use these features to your advantage. If something seems off, report it immediately. No one's got time for fraud drama. Final thought, think of credit cards as your financial tool, not a trap. Use them wisely, and you'll be rewarded. 7. Comparison is key. Find the perfect card for you. Now here's where most people go wrong. They don't take the time to compare cards. Don't fall into this trap. With so many options out there, it's critical to find the one designed to fit you. How do you do that? Use comparison tools and calculators online to see which cards align with your goals, whether it's travel, grocery rewards, or cashback. Evaluate fees versus benefits. A card with no annual fee might look enticing, but one with a $95 fee could actually pay you more in rewards if you use it properly. Remember, the perfect card isn't about what's the hottest on the market. It's about what works for your lifestyle. Take this step seriously, and you'll set yourself up for financial success. Your wallet will thank you later. Key takeaway. Credit cards aren't just about swiping and forgetting. They're powerful financial tools that can help you boost your income, enjoy exclusive perks, and even fund unforgettable adventures. The key is to use them strategically and to always stay in control of your spending. Let's recap the 7 smart hacks we covered. Turn your everyday purchases into cashback or travel rewards. Pay rent or non-traditional bills with a credit card for extra points. Match your card benefits to your lifestyle for maximum impact. Consider luxury cards if the perks suit your needs. Leverage business credit cards to fuel growth and manage expenses. Practice responsible spending. Pay off balances monthly to stay out of debt. Compare cards and find the one that works best for your financial goals. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Which of these credit card hacks are you most excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below, and let's talk about how you're making your credit cards work for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on financial freedom. See you in the next one, and remember, your financial future is in your hands. Let's make it count.